Mga kaaral, the basketball team is or the basketball team are. Team is an example of a collective noun, and collective nouns are one of the most challenging words in the English grammar. Why? Collective nouns are multiplex. What is multiplex? In cognitive linguistics, countable nouns are categorized into either uniplex or having one element, or multiplex or having many elements. And collective nouns have many elements and therefore are multiplex. Being multiplex, sometimes they are singular, sometimes they are plural. Saan ba ito nakadepende? It depends on the cognitive or mental process called construal, or how you perceive experiences in the world and present them to people using language. When you perceive collective nouns as a single entity, that is called group construal. When you perceive collective nouns as individual members, that's called individual construal. Group construal makes collective nouns singular and therefore require singular verb and singular pronoun. On the other hand, individual construal perceive collective nouns as plural and therefore require plural verb and plural pronoun. So yan muna mga kaaral. Uniplex, multiplex, group construal, individual construal. Susunod na mga videos ay magbibigay ako ng mga examples at ipapaliwanag ko rin kung ano ba talaga nangyari sa isip natin kapag kino-construe natin ang collective nouns into group construal. Bakit nagiging singular ito?